Now we start with the seventh experiment of part B to develop an application that makes use of clipboard framework for copying and pasting of text. The activity consists of two edit text controls and two buttons to trigger the copy and paste functionality. Okay, we have to develop an application for clipboard activity, and this is the interface. This interface consists of clipboard activity as a text view and two text boxes. Interface consists of text view clipboard activity, two text boxes and two buttons. Okay, copy text and paste text button. Let us design an interface similar to this. Start Android app, and we have already created interface. See, this is the text view. I already explained in previous experiments how to create a text view or how to design a proper interface. Okay, now once you create proper interface, see, this is a text view. You can see ID of this text view is just text view. ID of this text view is not important, but when you see this edit text box, edit text control, the ID of this text view is txt copy. Okay, ID of this text view is txt copy and ID of this text view is txt paste. Txt copy and txt paste. Okay, and see this button. See the constraints. See, you can see the constraint, that is horizontal constraint and vertical constraint. Okay, it's fixed. Vertical constraint is fixed from top to bottom of text view, edit text, and here from left to left of the parent. And ID of this button is btn copy. You can see this text view, how it is aligned, how it is constrained. Okay, top of this paste button to bottom of edit text, left of this paste button to right of copy button. Okay, thus at least two handles you have to fix. We have fixed two handles. Okay, ID of this text button is, ID of this button is btn paste. Once you design an interface, now it's very easy to code. Okay, because you have to, when you click on copy, whatever text typed in the text box, this text box has to be copied to clipboard. When you click on paste, whatever text paste copied in the clipboard has to be pasted in this text box. Okay, and we see the code of main activity. Click on main activity. See a public class main activity extends app compatibility activity. This is automatically generated when you create a new project and implements view dot on click listener. Implements view dot on click listener. You have to type. Okay, you have to type implements view dot on click listener, because your application or your app contains buttons. It has to listen to the events. For that purpose, you have to implement methods of on click listener. Now you have to create button objects, because you are created button interface in the app. To create button object, button, then object name, we have given object name as b1 and b2, and there is also edit text interface. For edit text interface, we have to create edit text objects, that is t1 and t2, and we have also created a clipboard object. The class name is clipboard manager. class name is clipboard manager and object name is my clipboard. Object name is my clipboard. Okay. Now here inside this onCreate method, you have to type this code starting from this code, because this code already available by default. Okay, now here we have to map whatever edit text but we have created in the interface, that we have to map to this object. How? T1 is the object. T1 equal to find view by id, find view by id, and then r dot id dot txt copy, that is copy edit text. Txt copy is the interface, okay, we created, that we are mapping to T1, and txt paste is the interface we created, that we are mapping to T2 object. Okay, and then btn copy is the button interface we created, that we are mapping to b1, and we are setting b1 dot set on click listener, because when we click on the button it has to listen to on click event. Therefore b1 dot set on click listener, and this object we have to give this object. This object indicates b1 object will be transferred to on click method. Next, b2 equal to find view by id r dot id dot btn paste indicates the btn paste button, whatever we created as interface, is mapping to object b2, and then b2 dot set on click listener this. b2 dot set on click listener this is will be listening to the on click event for button b2, and we are transferring this as the parameter. This indicates button b2 object. Then my clipboard object is mapped to my clipboard equal to get system service, then clipboard service. Okay, clipboard service. When you assign my clipboard equal to clipboard manager, this is casting, and then get system service. Get system service is the method. Okay, and then you have to select clipboard service as parameter. Okay, in this much you have to code in the onCreate method. Now what about onClick method? See, you have to give onClick method for onClick events. Okay, onClick, then v indicates you are going to receiving the parameter v, that is nothing but object of type view, means whatever button you clicked on, its object name will be received by v. Now if v dot equals b1, whatever objects you clicked on, it's a name or object name. Object name will be received from v. If v dot equals b1, means if we click on b1 object, means copy button, that this block of code will be executed. In this block of code, clip data is the class name and my clip is the object. Okay, this you have to keep in remember, because we are going to do clipboard operation. Here string data equal to t1 dot get text dot to string indicates the text of t1 object. We are receiving and storing it in the object data. My clip, this object equal to clip data. Clip data is a class name dot new plain text, and then text as the label and data as the data object which is holding text box content is set as clipboard text by using clip data dot new plain text method, and one more method is required to complete the clipboard copy operation, that is my clipboard. My clipboard is the object we already created. Okay, my clipboard dot set primary clip, and the parameter is my clip here, whatever object we have created. Okay, now these two statements to set clipboard data, and data is received from text box by using t1 dot get text dot toString. Okay, and then once we copy data to clipboard, it has to display one toast message. We are displaying toast message. Okay, by using toast dot make text, then get base context. Get base context is the current context, because when you are going to use the classes such as clipboard, you have to use get based when you are going to display the message, that is toast message. Okay, the first parameter is get base context. Okay, first parameter is get base context, and then text that should be displayed is copied. Copied indicates the text copied to clipboard, and then toast dot length. Toast dot length is a message length. Okay, dot show displays toast message. Okay, dot show to display toast message. Now see, if button equal to B2, if we click on B2 button, then it should perform paste function. To perform paste function, once again we are going to create clipboard object. Now we are creating different clipboard object by name ABC equal to my clipboard. My clipboard is the clipboard object name dot get primary clip. Get primary clip is to get clipboard copied data. Now clip data ABC equal to my clipboard dot get primary clip to initialize ABC object as clipboard's get primary clip method. Once the clipboard object ABC is initiated with the get primary clip method, then that clipboard objects data, that's ABC dot get item at index 0 indicates the first item of the clipboard is set as clipboard item. Okay, and this item dot get text dot toString to display the data as edit text. Okay, t2 dot set text is set as data from clipboard. Okay, the object t2 dot set text method is used to set text of a clipboard as edit text box text as text of edit text box. Let us run this program. Okay, to run this program, select this run app button. Okay, select run app button, it has to start emulator, therefore it takes some time. We can see the interface in the Android app, in the Android mobile. Okay, in the emulator we can see the interface. Whatever you type in the text box, for example, it is getting delay. Whatever you type here, either by selecting this keypad or after you type, select this button. Okay, it's taking some time. And then select this button. Okay, select copy. If you select copy, the content of this text box, copy it to clipboard. Now if you select paste, whatever content copied to clipboard is pasted here. If you want to change the text, okay, you can use your laptop keyboard also. Okay, Canara Engineering College. And select this button. It's taking some time. Select this button. Once again, now select copy. The content of first text box is copied to clipboard. When you select paste, same thing is pasted here. Like this program works. Okay, it's very easy to write the code of this experiment. Okay, whatever you type in the first text box will be copied to clipboard. When you click on copy button and when you select paste, so whatever content is there in the first text box pasted in the second text box. Like this program works.